Hello people of YouTube, this is Brett. It is August 6th or the 7th. It's Thursday. Been a long time since I posted anything. Just doing some upgrades to the truck camper. Installed a Sirocco complete airflow seeker by caframo. That's a mouthful. Yeah, so there it is there. I didn't hardwire it, but I used a power socket. We took out the TV. We don't watch TV when we go camping. But this gizmo is pretty slick. It turns all the way around. It will up and down, and it locks into place if need be. It has a timer for 3, 6, 9, 12 hours, but it's the amp draw that got me on this thing. If you look at it, if it comes in on high, 12 volt is 0.35 amp. I guess that's amp hours, and it is quiet. Wife wanted something to get across, breeze across the bed. You hit the button here. Obviously that's on low, pretty quiet right now. She said we should swivel it over to where she sleeps, on that side of the bed over there. And there you go. 2, 3. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but nice breeze. It sure does move some air around the camper at night while we're sleeping. Turn off the max fan and just run this across the bed. Hit the button and it lights up. 3, 6, 9, 12 hours. I just mounted it to the TV swivel, as you can see right here, and even then we put that back all the way around like that would go right against the bed for her and me, I guess. God, I can't believe how quiet that is. I think it's quiet. Pretty happy with it. Got it on Amazon. Oh, 100 and some odd dollars, $180 maybe. Friends of ours said anything you put the word RV or marine on it, they could probably charge you an extra $100 or $50 for it. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Upgrade for more air circulation inside of here. We've been out a few times. It does get pretty stuffy, even with the windows, side windows open. Over there and there, and open up the emergency hatch. Again, it can get a little stuffy. So that'll work good. Also, cooking food or something, want to blow it out the back door or out the side windows. But all in all, I don't think it was a bad investment. There, they're locked into place. Go around. You can still turn that around this way here, facing the back of the camper. I can feel that over here, and that's only low. And as you turn on the max fan, and it really, draw out the heat. Well, it's pretty easy install. Follow the instructions. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I'm glad we got that. Still feel it. Probably back about probably back about 8 feet. I can still feel that on high. Yeah, that's it, everybody. As real as it gets with Brett. Have a good week. Take care.